So let's carry on with the replacement of the two capacitors that certainly appear to be defective. It's this one and this one. Now, they're 22 nanofarads on the schematic. Uh-oh. That's my .02 tray is empty. Well, that's a bit of a problem. Could put a .03 in. We'll have to give that a try. I think it's these two right here. One right there. There's a resistor beyond them. Yes, and there it is. So I'm pretty sure those are the right two. But here's the thing about working on German radios. They are layered deep. And these capacitors are in pretty deep. And you can see material coming out of it right there. Strange. I guess well, they're leaking tiny currents. So I don't expect them to get hot. And they've all burst, all of them. I think we're well on our way to changing them all. Okay, I think I'm going to change the orientation of the radio completely. Okay, so what I've done is I've placed the radio basically upside down on my bench. So I'm looking down into it from above. Working right in this area here. Right here. is a lot better for me. No doubt about it. I'm gonna end up in the hospital working with it the other way. Okay, and I've left the wire tails here to mark the locations where these connections are made. Very clever of me. The other end goes down here. It's too bad my the wire to my camera just wasn't a wee bit longer. When I get a little better angle, I can see my hands are getting in the way, but so much I can do. The soldering iron's a little hot. Come on. There we go. I don't know if I can get that original lead in there. Cut it out. Boy. It's easy to set up a short circuit in there. Wow, boy. Too easy. Okay, well that's one done. Hope we can pick the pace up here. Number 2. So that thing. Yeah. It's another one that's tucked away in there. There it is. Again, let's put a little magnification to this. You see that protrusion there. 2 of them actually. That the shell of the capacitor is cracked and material is coming out. Apparently it makes you sneeze. Okay, let's get another incorrectly sized capacitor, 0.03. And we'll attempt to stick it in there. Okay. And now the trickier end is the other end. Oh, didn't get soldered. Got some kind of goo all over it. I wonder if that's... This is the lead wire from the old capacitor. I wonder if it didn't leak some kind of material that flowed up the wire lead and kind of coated it a little bit. I think I got it that time. Okay, now this one. Has to connect there. Wow. Let's scratch that wire a little bit. Feels like bare wire to me. Not good enough. Oops. Let's try it again. Yeah, that got it. I lost a little tidbit of wire there. Okay. That clearance is good. So that's definitely oh, this didn't get soldered, did it? Oh, I think it did. Yeah, I think that's a trait of German radios. And plus, you know, in a German radio, there's a lot, European radios in general, a lot more parts, a lot more components. I'm not exactly sure what that means. Are they building better equipment? more, I don't know. But there's a lot of stuff in this radio. Okay, so that's two of the capacitors changed out. Those are the two that were appeared to be leaking. Yeah, it's okay. They appeared to be leaking, so that should solve the sound problem in here now. Well, I think it might be ready. Time for a test.